So in this video I want to show the Tecno camon Sky unboxing. So let's get started without wasting the time. Let's see the box contents. So this is our Tecno camon I box. These are little few details of our phones. It is information about. It comes with 8,500 rupees in India. It is a written manufacturer date. It comes with Android Oreo with Face ID, fingerprint, 4G volt, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM. There is full details of our phones. There is a camon Sky written, and this is what is made in India. You can see there is a camon Sky branding. Let's see the box. What is there in the box? Wow, our phone is there in the box. Keep aside this box. Let's see our box. What is there in the box? You see there is a glossy type cover, or this is a manual. No use of this manual. We can throw in a garbage. Hut. And there is a warranty card, 12+1 warranty card. And this is also a manual. These are 3 manuals, and there is a cable, charging cable, and there is a power adapter with 5.5 and 1.2 ampere. This charger is made in China. The phone is made in India. This is our Tecno camon Sky headphones. The full review of mobile will I show afterwards. Let's see our mobile. In back we get a fingerprint sensor, stickers, 1 camera and 2 flashlights. Let's on this phone. There is a Tecno camon branding. It's come with triple slot, means you can add 2 SIM and 1 SD card. It is taking time to open. It is written camon, powered by Android. It will take time. It will take time to start. Our mobile is started. Some apps are loading, that's why the phone is not working. Let's see the front camera, back camera. This is photo that I taken from camon I. The full review of mobile I will show in the next video. It comes with Face ID and fingerprint sensor. It comes with beauty mode, panoramic mode, manual mode, etc. Let's see the setting, the features of this mobile. It comes with 2 GB RAM, 16 GB internal storage, 8 megapixel front camera, 12 megapixel back camera, 3000 mAh batteries, Android Oreo, etc. It has much feature. It is backup features also like MI. Its back is like a texture. It's come with triple slot, means high drive. So you can attach 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card. You can also remove the stickers. You can play a PUBG also this from mobile. This how looks when we wear a cover. The full phone will get up in another video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe. You can play the PUBG from this mobile. I will upload a video next time. Bye bye. Take care. Subscribe my channel. Bye.
DJ, 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 DJ.